Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. In this video I'm going to show special Instagram concept photo editing tutorial. You can see by using the neon frame and Instagram PNGs I created this amazing tutorial. Okay, you can also edit your image exactly like this. If you really enjoy this video, please consider like and share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Now let's check in the video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open Picsart with your model image. See you there. Friends, this is the model image I'm going to use now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tools and I'm going to crop a little bit like this. Okay, I'm going to crop. Done. Now arrange your image like this. Now what you have to do is you have to go to add photo and select the neon frame. Okay. Okay, these are the two images, two PNGs I'm going to use. This I will keep aside. Now I'm going to arrange this one. Okay, zoom in like this and arrange like the frame, okay, in the middle like this. Perfect. Now by using this eraser I am going to erase on the shoe parts. Okay, by using this eraser you have to do this. Okay, up to here you have to erase on the shoes and you have to fill these portions nicely. Okay, you have to erase perfectly on the shoe portion and you have to fill the remaining portions. Done. Perfect. Perfect friends. Now I am going to tap on tick. Now I am going to arrange this one Instagram PNG. Now go to blend, make it screen and zoom in like this and bring it down and decrease the size and bring it down exactly like this. Now go to eraser and erase these unwanted parts. Okay, if you want you can keep. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick. Now tap on tick. Everything is done. Now what you have to do is you have to go to add photo and select the snow effect PNG. Here is the two PNGs. First of all I am going to erase this unique in that portion, so it will be nice. Okay, in such portion you have to arrange it like this. Done. Now take this snow effect and you have to zoom in like this. Now go to blend, make it screen, zoom out and you have to zoom out like this. Perfect. Okay, now go to eraser and in this model portion you have to erase, keep the size, decrease the hardness and erase on the model portion like this. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick. Done. Friends, you can see the portion is completed and finally you have to make the background little darker and I for the attraction purpose I am going to give one lightning PNG. For this I have to go to add photo and select the PNG. Friends, this is the lightning PNG. You have to go to blend, make it screen and arrange exactly in this portion. No need to increase the size like this. Done. Now tap on tick. Now go to effects and you have to give a little darkness around this model image so the image will be pop out in the middle. Now go to effects and this effects you have to search for the vintage and keep like this and fade. Okay, like this, fade like this. Now by using this eraser you have to go down and erase these portions. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick. Now you have to tap on this and again you have to add another effects, Lomo effect in this effects. Tap on this invert so you can add another effect immediately. Now go to Lomo and decrease the amount completely, decrease the vignette, increase the vignette and fade out. Now by using this eraser you have to erase the inside portions. Perfect. Done. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special concept photo editing is ready. You can see how simple and easy. All you have to do is follow my video and download this background PNGs, everything. I will give link in the description and simply follow step by step. So you can also edit your images stylishly like this. Now go to draw, Tap on these three dots and save your image and have fun. Friends, if you really enjoy this video, please give me a like and subscribe and share to your friends. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.